Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make animation in Flipaclip on mobile. So let's get started. All you have to do is download, install via Play Store. This application is top one a creation tools on Android on Play Store. This is a Flipaclip. So let's see the demo here. This is the squirrel. Here you can make this animation easily. And also this is the second demo, floor sack and ball. You can play it. So all you have to do is get back and create the new by add project here. So you can name it the first one, maybe the first, and then you can choose the background here. You can get from the image from your gallery, or you can fill manually here. And you choose canvas. If you want to use a YouTube, you can use the HD one. Here I choose frame rate per second. Here the lower frame rate, the slow your video. So let's tap the 5 here. You can change later the FPS. Create project now. So you can draw here right now. This is for example. Sorry, my draw is not good. If you fail, you can undo here, or just try to put a circle here. And the second one, let's put the like ear here and the eyes here for example. And the last one, you can fill the with the color here. Maybe you want to add a brown or red here. You can use this for brushing, and this is for the coloring. You can go with the black here or the maroon here. Just tap it. Sorry, this is for the background. You can undo, but let's see, this is the animation pre-built. You can build it. It takes your time, but you can practice yourself in this app. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.